Hi children. Today we're going to focus on another set 2 sound, and this sound is uh. Now here, I know that you like doing this. We have look at a book. Look at a book. And we have a little girl and a little boy, and they are enjoying looking at their favourite book. Do you think that you could find your favourite book after the lesson and do the same? That would be lovely. My turn. Look. Your turn. Book. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Excellent. Give yourselves a pat on the back. So this side we say look at a book. When we turn it over, it's Now if you can see, we know it's because there's two little eyes in the sounds, but when we do our writing we don't draw the eyes, okay? But this is just to help us know that it's the sound, because it looks very, well, it looks the same as the oo, doesn't it? Okay, so it's just for you to know that this is Let's play the game. Going to be quicker. See if you can do it with me. Well done. Okay, I'm going to put this in with the set 2 sounds. Okay, again, we're going to go through them and I am going to say the sound and you repeat it, but I'm just going to pause a little bit for those that already know them. Okay, so ooh. Oh. Ow. Ah. Or. I. Shh. Yeah. Ch. Qua. Z. I hope you spotted it because that's the sound for today. V. E. A. Air. Oi. Well done, and we're back to the beginning. Well done if you got all of those right. So we have heard the sound, we've seen the sound. Now we are going to read some words with the sound in. Okay, so special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. special friend. And then there's also Fred talk. Good job. Okay, now for the nonsense words. Remember, again, special friend, Fred talk. 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 And special friend, Fred talk. Well done. Why don't you do a round of applause for that? Excellent. Okay, now we're going to do the speedy reading. So remember, try to thread in your head. Okay. So, let's go. I'm going to go a little bit quicker. Well done. Okay, let's do the piano to celebrate. Excellent. Well done. So, we have heard the sound, we've seen the sound, we've read some of the words. Now we're going to do our writing. Okay, so the first word that we are going to write is book. 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 Count the sounds. Show me fingers, pincers. Say the word book. Book. Pinch the sounds. B, k. Remember, have your speed sounds chart to help you. You can pause it at any time. Okay, so if you've got the B and it is an A sender, give yourself a tick. And if you've got the now I don't want to see any little eyes in the middle. If you've underlined it, give yourself a tick. Now, if you have the kicking K, it's not a curly K, it's a kicking K for book. Okay, give yourself a tick. If not, don't worry, just fix it. It doesn't matter. Okay? Now, the next word we're going to do is, let me see. Look. 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 Count the sounds. And fingers, pincers. Say the word look. Look. Pinch the sounds. L, k. Well done. I'm going to give you a little bit of a clue. The last sound is the same as book. That will help you. Okay. If you have got the L, and this is also an A sender, give yourself a tick. And if you have got the you've underlined it, give yourself a tick. And if you've got the kicking K, because it's the same, give yourself a tick. Okay? Good job. Well done. Now, the last word that we are going to do is shook. 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 Count the sounds. Show me fingers, pincers. Say the word shook. Shook. Pinch the sounds. Shook. Now this word has got two special friends. The one we're doing today, but there's another one at the beginning. Okay? Don't forget to use your speed sounds chart to help you. So if you've got the sound sh and it looks like mine, so it looks like that, give yourself a tick. Well done. And if you've got the give yourself a tick. I don't want to see no little eyes. And if you've got the kicking k, give yourself a tick. Well done, children. Okay, now don't forget, again, if you want to write some sentences with these in, that would be great, okay? Now, I think we should do a yee-haw, okay? So, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, yee-haw! Well done, children. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. See you soon. Bye.